Ernie.
Yes. Okay, so we're gonna start Bert. Okay.
It's like big.
Okay, so Bert.
I'll call her Big.
So Bert's got a big oval nose. So draw in the middle. Okay, watch. It's long way this way. Okay. Very good. And then attached to it, kind of like a Mickey Mouse ear, we have his eyes. This. Also oval. Okay.
I'm gonna do skinny but oval.
Okay, we're gonna color that in. It's up and down, Charlotte. All right, color that black. Okay. The eyes are black. Okay. Now we're gonna draw his head. Okay. So we're gonna start with the top of his head. It's a curved line like this. Curve down. Okay. Very good. Very good. Now we're gonna draw this. It's like a vase. It's gonna curve. You're not looking, Charlotte. Just look. Now we're gonna draw a side of his head. Curve out and then come back. And then we're gonna do curve out and come back. And we're gonna connect in the middle. Okay? Okay, very good. And now we're gonna draw his mouth. He's angry.
I think it's the way.
And we're gonna add his ears are next to his nose, okay? So same height as his nose. Now we're gonna add his hair. Pay attention, okay? Straight up and ziggy-zaggies, okay?
I think you need some water.
And then his eyebrow is one eyebrow. And we're gonna do it very thick and black, okay? And then now we're gonna draw his body. So he's wearing a V-neck. So there's a little V here. And then we're gonna do his sweater. Wearing a sweater like this. Skinny sweater. And connect that. And then we'll do his legs. Okay. 2 legs. Okay, legs. And then we're gonna draw his arms. Okay. He's wearing long sleeve, okay? Alright, and we'll add some stripes to his shirt. So let's try
1, 2.
I'm doing 2 stripes. Alright, so that is Bert. And now we're gonna do his roommate Ernie, okay? From the middle, we'll do his nose. It's an oval this way. And we'll draw his eyes. They're also behind his nose. Color his eyes in. Now we're gonna draw his mouth, okay? He's got a big mouth. Curved.
I'm going to read it.
Okay, we're gonna, okay, watch. We're gonna connect it. And we're gonna draw his head, okay? So his head, we're gonna follow the mouth.
His head will follow the mouth.
Okay, stop. And then we're gonna do the top part. We're gonna stop on top of his eyeball, okay? So we're gonna come up, stop there.
Do the same thing on our side.
Do the same thing on this side. And there's a dip in the middle of his head. So we're gonna do a dip and then come back up. And
What's a dip?
Dip is like a hole. Okay, and we're gonna draw his hair. His hair is, let's draw his ear first. So his ear is right here to the right of his nose, the same height as his nose, okay? Same thing on the other side. Okay, very good. Go across. Okay, and for his hair, the hair is, just listen. The hair is halfway between his ear and his eye. So halfway is here, okay? So halfway between the two. So we're gonna draw a line here. And then we're gonna do the pointy spikes. Okay, lots of pointy spikes here. And then halfway is over here, right? So I'm gonna draw the hair here, and then we're gonna connect. Okay, and let's do his tongue inside his mouth. Okay, then we're gonna do his shirt. He's wearing a curved collar with his neck. And we're gonna draw his shirt. And then he's got a belt. And then pants with legs. 3 lines here. I'm gonna connect this. And then his shoes. Got a curved toe shoes, okay? And he's wearing horizontal striped shirt. So I'm gonna do 2 lines.
1, 2.
Okay, and then we're gonna draw his arm. Okay. Arm. Okay. Long sleeve shirt with his collar. Long sleeve shirt. Alright, so it's Bert and Ernie. Now we're gonna color them.